Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue solving exercise 15C from chapter Similarity. So starting with question number 2. A line PQ is drawn parallel to the base BC of triangle ABC, which meets sides AB and AC at points P and Q respectively. If AP is 1/3 of PB, find the value of first part, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APQ. Second part, area of triangle APQ upon area of trapezium PBCQ. There is a triangle ABC. ABC. A line PQ is drawn parallel to the base BC. BC से parallel एक line draw किया है, which is PQ, which meets sides AB and AC at points P and Q respectively. It meets side AB at P and AC at Q. AB at P and AC at Q. Okay. If AP is 1/3 of PB, find the value of area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APQ. फर्स्ट पार्ट मिल गया, फिर सेकेंड पार्ट बहुत इजी है. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट के लिए देर आर टू ट्राइंगल्स, उसका एरिया का रेशियो निकालना है. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC एंड एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल APQ. वेरी इजी. First, what we need to do is we need to show that the two triangles are similar to each other. So ABC and APQ are similar. पहले ये prove करना है. Once the triangles are similar, then the ratio between the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Okay. So इसका side अगर S1 है and इसका corresponding side S2 है in this triangle, then the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides will be equal to the ratio of the areas of two triangles. Okay. So for that, first we'll show that the triangles are similar. ABC, APQ. I'll draw them separately. ABC and APQ. I would suggest that you also draw it separately. Easy हो जाएगा understanding में. Now ABC and APQ में angle A is the common angle. ये whole angle A is present in both the triangles. This angle ABC as well as APQ. So angle A के साथ APQ में angle A equal है, right? ABC and APQ में angle A equal है. What else? Angle P and angle B equal होगा. Parallel lines, transversal. So क्या form हो रहा है? Corresponding angles F form हो रहा है, right? So these two angles will be equal. So angle B and angle P. Triangle ABC में angle B and triangle APQ में angle P. ABC में एंगल B एंड APQ में एंगल P. B यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किया है तो P यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करो. लेफ्ट में है तो ये भी लेफ्ट में. ABC, APQ. Remaining angle C and Q will also be equal to each other. Right? So I can say the two triangles are similar by AA or AAA criterion. AA is sufficient. तीसरा एंगल required नहीं है. Okay? C and Q भी दिखा सकते हो. They are equal because parallel lines, transversal, corresponding angles form हो रहा है. Okay. So they are equal. Now once the triangles are similar to each other, corresponding sides consider करना है. Only one pair of corresponding sides is required over here. Now which one you will consider? Based on the information given to us over here. AP and PB. Okay. यही sides होना चाहिए यहाँ पे. So AP I can see over here. AP के साथ corresponding side कौन सा होगा? AB. Equal angles का opposite sides corresponding side होता है. Okay. So AP and AB will be the corresponding sides. So AB and AP. All right. ABC upon APQ है. So ABC का side and APQ का corresponding side. तो AB के साथ AP is the corresponding side. All right. Now ये रेशियो मुझे फाइंड करना है. For that AB मुझे यहाँ पे दिया नहीं है. So what I'll do, I'll write it as AP plus PB. AP plus BB upon AP. Okay. Over here, AP is 1/3 of PB. In other words, I can say PB is thrice AP. So यहाँ पे PB है, I can write it as thrice AP. So that will be 4 times AP upon AP. Now you can cancel out AP. यहाँ पे नहीं cancel कर सकते. Some of you might do that. नहीं कर सकते. बीच में प्लस माइनस साइन अगर है, you cannot cancel out. Okay. So now we can cancel out AP. So we are left with 4/1. रेशियो का बात हो रहा है, so डिनोमिनेटर में 1 लिख लेना. Okay. AB by AP is 4/1. Now over here जो साइड था, okay, ABC का साइड AB and APQ का AP. Ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. So square मैं बाद में भी ले सकती हूँ by law of indices. So AB by AP is 4/1. That will give 4/1 squared. 4 का स्क्वायर 16, 1 का स्क्वायर 1, so 16/1. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APQ will be 16/1. All right. So we'll solve with proper steps now, and then we'll solve for the second part. एक बार first part मिल गया, फिर second part actually बहुत easy है. First draw the figure and then start with the solution. First we'll write down the given information. There's the triangle ABC where PQ is parallel to BC and P lies on AB and Q lies on AC. Also AP is 1/3 of PB. Okay. So first we'll write down all the given information. In triangle ABC, PQ is parallel to BC where P lies on AB and Q lies on AC. This is given, so write down the reason given. Now AP is 1/3 of PB, तो वो भी लिख लेते हैं. AP is 1/3 of PB. Again this is given, so this implies PB is 3 times AP. Mark this as 1. We'll be using this once we show that the two triangles are similar to each other. So let's prove these two triangles similar. After that, we'll relate it with their corresponding sides. So in triangle ABC and triangle APQ, angle ABC, angle APQ equal होगा. ABC and APQ, they are forming corresponding angles. Transversal and parallel lines लिखो. Parallel lines PQ and BC, and AB is the transversal. So angle ABC is equal to angle APQ. Corresponding angles. How? PQ parallel to BC and AB is the transversal. All right. Now BAC and PAQ will be equal. Common angle A है. BAC is equal to PAQ, common angle. All right. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle APQ. AA criterion postulate test for similarity. जो भी टीचर ने बोला है reason वो लिख लो. All right. Now the triangles are similar to each other, so I can say the ratio between the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. Using that, I'll find out this. Okay, so let's find out. Ratio between the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio between the squares of their corresponding sides. वेरी बिग रीजन, सो ब्रैकेट्स में नहीं लिख सकते, इसीलिए पहले रीजन लिख लिया. Using this reason, using this property, now we'll find out the ratio of area of triangle ABC and triangle APQ. Okay, so area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APQ is equal to, corresponding sides कौन सा है, AB and AP. We are going to consider that AB and AP दोनों का square. Ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Okay, I can take common square. पावर मैं कॉमन ले सकती हूँ, सेम पावर है तो. So AB upon AP, the whole का square, law of indices. Okay, AB I can write as AP plus PB. So I'll write it as AP plus PB upon AP, the whole square. PB we got as thrice AP, है ना, we had already marked it. So यहाँ पे substitution करेंगे, AP plus 3 times AP upon AP. Okay, so that will give 4 times AP upon AP, the whole का square. AP cancel हो गया, so we are left with 4 by 1, the whole squared. Okay, so area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APQ is equal to 4 by 1, the whole squared, which is 16 by 1. Okay, okay, box the answer. For second part, we need to find out area of triangle APQ upon area of trapezium PBCQ. APQ and PBCQ. APQ and PBCQ. This triangle and this trapezium. Okay, ये दोनों figures, this figure and this figure. So ABC को हम लोग दो parts में cut कर रहे हैं. Now area of triangle APQ is there in first part also, है ना. So what we are going to do, using this first part we'll find out the second part. Let's see how. First part में हम लोग को मिला था area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APQ. It was 16 by 1, right? रेसिप्रोकल ले लेते हैं, बिकॉज APQ का एरिया इट इज इन न्यूमरेटर, है ना, यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर में है तो मुझे ये न्यूमरेटर में चाहिए. सो टेकिंग रेसिप्रोकल, सो दिस इम्प्लाइज एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल APQ अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC इज 1 by 16. यहाँ पे भी रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा, LHS RHS दोनों में. ओके, नाउ इन डिनोमिनेटर देयर इज एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC. ओके, ABC में से अगर मैं APQ वाला पोर्शन निकाल दूं, दिस ट्रायंगल इफ आई रिमूव, आई सेपरेट इट, देन आई एम लेफ्ट विद दिस ट्रेपीजियम PBCQ. ओके, मैं इसको स्प्लिट करके ड्रॉ कर रही हूं, ठीक है. देयर इज APQ एंड PBCQ. ABC में से मैंने अगर ये पार्ट निकाल दिया, देन आई एम लेफ्ट विद दिस ट्रेपीजियम विच आई वांट इन डिनोमिनेटर. So area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle APQ will give me area of trapezium PBCQ. Correct? So area of triangle APQ upon area of quadrilateral PBCQ, right? PBCQ. It will be area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle APQ. I'll repeat, ABC ये पूरा बड़ा ट्रायंगल में से मैंने APQ छोटा ट्रायंगल निकाल दिया, then I'm left with the trapezium. Okay, so ABC minus APQ. APQ क्या है 1, ABC क्या है 16, again APQ क्या है 1, so that will give 1 by 15. All right, so second part भी मिल गया. It is very easy once you obtain the first part. So ये second part का आंसर हो गया. Box कर दो. It is 1 by 15. Let's read the next question. Question number 3. The perimeter of two similar triangles are 30 centimeter and 24 centimeter. If one side of the first triangle is 12 centimeter, determine the corresponding side of the second triangle. There are two similar triangles and their perimeters are given. This is the first triangle. This is the second triangle. Let's name the triangles A, B, C and L, M, N. Okay. The perimeters of two similar triangles are 30 centimeter and 24 centimeter. So first का perimeter 30 ले लेते हैं, second का 24. Okay. So perimeter is 30 and यहाँ पे perimeter is 24. Perimeter is nothing but sum of all the sides AB plus BC plus AC. It will be 30. Same way यहाँ पे LM plus MN plus LN will be 24 centimeter. If one side of the first triangle is 12 centimeter, determine the corresponding side of the second triangle. These two triangles are similar to each other. ये दिया है. Since the two triangles are similar to each other, corresponding sides will be in proportion. है ना, एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स विल बी इक्वल. यहाँ पे एंगल्स का जरूरत नहीं है, साइड्स को ही रिलेट करेंगे. करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स आर इन प्रोपोर्शन. सो करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स कौन सा लेंगे? ए बी एल एम, बी सी एम एन एंड ए सी एल एन. सो ए बी अपॉन एल एम will be equal to BC upon MN will be equal to AC upon LN. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. Let's say AB is 12 centimeter. One side of the first triangle is 12 centimeter. This is given. We have to find out the corresponding side ka measurement. Okay, we have to find the corresponding side of the second triangle. So LM AB के साथ करस्पॉन्डिंग क्या है? LM. इसका लेंथ कितना है ये फाइंड आउट करना है. सो ये रेशियो कंसिडर करना है. AB का वैल्यू 12 है. ओके, नाउ समहाउ वी हैव टू रिलेट दिस विद द पेरीमीटर्स. बहुत ही इजी है. इफ two or more ratios are in proportion, that is they are equal to each other, then it will also be equal to the sum of the numerators. जो ratios का बात कर रहे हैं वो ratios का numerators का sum upon वही ratios का denominators का sum. Numerators are AB, BC, AC. Denominators are LM, MN and LN. So you're getting, if two or more ratios are in proportion, that is they are equal to each other, then they are also equal to the sum of the numerators of those ratios upon denominators of those ratios. All right, so AB plus BC plus AC क्या है? 30. LM plus MN plus LN 24. So each of these ratios is equal to the ratio of the perimeters basically. So AB upon LM, that is AB is 12 upon LM is equal to 30 upon 24. सॉल्व करके LM मिल जाएगा, दैट इज करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड. AB के साथ करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड का लेंथ क्या है ये फाइंड आउट करना है. All right, so let us solve now with proper steps. First we'll name the triangles. So let the two similar triangles be triangle ABC and triangle LMN. It is for our convenience, easy हो जाएगा. Also let the perimeter of first triangle, that is triangle ABC, be 30 centimeter and the perimeter of triangle LMN be 24 centimeter. Second triangle का perimeter, okay, 30 and 24. ABC का perimeter will be AB plus BC plus AC. Mark this as 1. And LMN का perimeter LM plus MN plus LN, it will be 24. Mark this as 2. We are going to put the values later on, so mark करके रखो. Also we are taking AB as 12 centimeter. So if one side of the first triangle is 12 centimeter, this is our first triangle, so we are taking AB as 12 centimeter. Let AB be 12 centimeter. Mark this as 3. ये भी वैल्यू पुट करना है and LM का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. So since the two triangles are similar to each other, corresponding sides are in proportion. So since triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN, AB upon LM is equal to BC upon MN is equal to AC upon LN. यहीं से मिल जाएगा if you have named it correctly. First two corresponding, next two corresponding, first and last corresponding. All right. Reason देना पड़ेगा, corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. Now since these ratios are equal to each other, यही ratios का sum of numerator divided by sum of denominator will also be equal to these individual ratios. So taking sum of the numerator and denominators, we'll get AB plus BC plus AC divided by LM plus MN plus LN equal to these individual ratios. Alright, ये ratio and proportion वाला property है. So over here AB plus BC plus AC क्या है? 30. LM plus MN plus LN 24. So 30 upon 24. It will be equal to AB upon LM. यही ratio consider करेंगे, इसको भूल जाते हैं अब. Alright, so values बाद में ही put करते हैं. First we'll write down these two ratios are equal. So AB plus BC plus AC upon LM plus MN plus LN will be equal to AB upon LM. Now putting the values. So AB plus BC plus AC from 130, LM plus MN plus LN from 224 and AB from 3 we are getting as 12. LM का value find करना है. So give reason over here from 1, 2 and 3, putting the values. LM को shift किया, numerator में जाएगा 12 as it is, और ये दो numbers shift किए, reciprocal हो जाएगा. Correct? 6 2s are 6 5s are. So we'll get LM as 48 by 5. 5 9s are 45 and 3 remains 35, 6 are 30. LM will be 9.6 centimeter. Don't forget the unit. Box kar do answer ko. So add a statement. The corresponding side of the second triangle is 9.6 centimeter. Okay, so I'm not writing down the statement. Please add the statement. Next question, question number 4. In the given figure, AX is to XB is 3 is to 5. Find first part, the length of BC if the length of XY is 18 centimeter. Second part, the ratio between the areas of trapezium XBCY and triangle ABC. We are given the figure over here. There's a triangle ABC where XY is parallel to BC. Also, we are given AX and XB ka ratio. It is 3 by 5. First, we need to find out the length of BC. ये BC का length find out करना है. If the length of XY is 18 centimeter. XY is the side of triangle AXY and BC is the side of triangle ABC. So I'll relate XY and BC by relating the triangles first. AXY and ABC will be similar triangles. Let's see how. AXY and ABC में, if you notice angle A, this whole angle is the common angle. XAY बोलो या BAC बोलो, it is one and the same common angle है. So angle A and angle A equal होगा for AXY and ABC. Okay. We need one more angle. Angle X and angle B equal होगा. Why? XY is parallel to BC and AB is the transversal. Corresponding angles form हो रहा है ना? F form हो रहा है. So these two angles will be equal. That is X and B will be equal. X के साथ B है equal. Okay. So AA, X and B and AXY and ABC का बात हो रहा है. So third one will be C. Y and C equal होगा. So remaining angle, all right. And if you want to show that these two angles are equal, एक और way है, XY is parallel to BC, AC is the transversal, so corresponding angles हो गया. Okay. So ये दोनों भी equal है. Two angles are enough. AA criterion. Okay. Once the triangles are similar, then we'll relate the sides. XY 18 centimeter है, BC find out करना है. Okay. We need some more information. But before that, let us see the corresponding sides. We know corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. So corresponding sides AX, AB, XY, BC and AY and AC. Correct? नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो इक्वल एंगल्स देखो. इक्वल एंगल्स का ऑपोजिट साइड करस्पॉन्डिंग, इक्वल एंगल्स का ऑपोजिट साइड करस्पॉन्डिंग, इक्वल एंगल्स का ऑपोजिट साइड करस्पॉन्डिंग होगा. ओके. AX upon AB will be equal to XY upon BC will be equal to AY upon AC. Right? So corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. ये property use करके I need to find out BC. BC find करना है. For that I am given XY. XY दिया हुआ है. I need one of the two ratios. अगर मुझे कोई भी एक ratio पता होगा, then I can put the value and easily find out BC. So इसके लिए I am given this. AX by XB is 3 by 5. AX by XB is 3 by 5. AX by AB है यहाँ पे, so यहाँ पे XB हटा के मुझे AB चाहिए. So if I write AX by AB, AB is nothing but AX plus XB. So I'll split it and write it as AX plus XB. Okay. AX क्या है? 3. Again AX 3, XB 5, so I'm getting 3 by 8. So ये मुझे मिल गया AX by AB. This whole thing I got. XY पता है, वैल्यूज पुट करके BC फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट इजी है. ओके, वंस वी सॉल्व फॉर फर्स्ट पार्ट देन वील सी हाउ टू सॉल्व फॉर द सेकेंड पार्ट. ऑलराइट, सो पहले फर्स्ट पार्ट का सोल्यूशन देखते हैं. In triangle ABC we have XY parallel to BC. This is not given but from the figure. Okay, so write down from the figure. XY parallel to BC कहाँ पे यूजफुल होगा? In showing that angle X and angle B are equal, they are forming corresponding angles, parallel lines and transversal. So considering the two triangles, triangle AXY and triangle ABC, we have angle AXY equal to angle ABC. They are forming corresponding angles. Parallel lines XY parallel to BC and transversal AB. Okay. Now angle XAY and BAC are equal, common angle. Therefore, the two triangles are similar. Write down the reason. AA, postulate, criterion, test for similarity, whatever your teacher has told you. वो पूरा reason लिखना है, no short forms. Okay. Now the triangles are similar, therefore corresponding sides are in proportion. So corresponding sides यहाँ से भी मिल सकता है. First two, next two. And first and last. Reason, corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. BC फाइंड करना है, XY का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है, but for that we need AX upon AB. ये रेशियो रिक्वायर्ड है. So now we'll consider AX upon XB. AX upon XB is 3 by 5. So AX upon AB क्या हो जाएगा? It will be AX upon AX plus XB, which will be 3 upon 3 plus 5, which is 3 by 8. So ये मिल गया है. Okay, XY का वैल्यू भी लिख लेते हैं. XY is 18 centimeter. Given. This is also given. So now putting these values over here. Alright, so 1 and 2 we'll put in this. So we have AX upon AB is equal to XY upon BC. AX upon AB is 3 by 8. XY is 18 and BC find करना है. Write down from 1 and 2. BC को शिफ्ट किया, न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा. 3 by 8 को शिफ्ट करेंगे, रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. 3 6 6 8 48 सेंटीमीटर. यूनिट मत भूलना. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट का आंसर मिल गया. इट इज 48 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, next part, we need to find out the ratio of the areas of trapezium XBCY and triangle ABC. So let's see how to solve. First we'll see how to solve and then we are going to solve with proper steps. Okay, So we need to find out the ratio, that is something upon something, between the area of trapezium, that is quadrilateral X, B, C, Y, and area of triangle ABC. Okay, ये रेशियो फाइंड करना है, X, B, C, Y and A, B, C. Okay, for this we are going to use the similar triangles. अभी हम लोग ने दो ट्राइंगल्स को सिमिलर प्रूव किया, AXY and ABC. Triangle AXY is similar to triangle ABC. दो सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स का एरियाज का कुछ प्रॉपर्टी है. Area of triangle AXY upon area of triangle ABC. Ratio between the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. So corresponding sides में you can take AX upon AB, okay, because we know the ratio of AX and AB. Or you can consider XY and BC. Okay, XY and BC का तो वैल्यू ही पता है, फर्दर रिड्यूस होगा, सो रिड्यूस होके सेम रेशियो मिलने वाला है. सो कंसिडर द सिंप्लीफाइड वन ओनली, AX by AB, okay, which is 3/8. सो स्क्वायर कॉमन ले लिया बाय लॉ ऑफ इंडिसेस. AX by AB क्या है? 3/8. The whole squared, which will be 9/64. So ratio of the area of triangle AXY and triangle ABC is 9/64. Okay, using this we'll find this. All right, तो डिनोमिनेटर में ABC ABC है. Okay, so ये वाला as it is रहेगा डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, सो फाइंड आउट इन सच अ वे कि डिनोमिनेटर तुमको ABC ही मिल रहा है. ओके, AXY को न्यूमरेटर में लो, ABC को डिनोमिनेटर में लो. ऑल राइट, एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स, ओके, उसका स्क्वायर करना है. नाउ AXY को हटा के मुझे ये क्वाड्रिलैटरल चाहिए. हाउ विल वी गेट दैट? इट्स वेरी इजी, यही यूज करके मिलेगा. क्वाड्रिलैटरल XBCY इज नथिंग बट ABC माइनस AXY. ये जो मेन ट्रायंगल है ABC, ओके, ये ABC में से मैंने AXY ये इतना पोर्शन हटा दिया, ये एरिया हटा दिया. देन आई एम लेफ्ट विद द क्वाड्रिलैटरल XBCY. सो ABC का एरिया माइनस AXY का एरिया, दैट इज व्हाट आई विल डू इन न्यूमरेटर. Okay, so area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle AXY upon area of triangle ABC. Denominator as it is, numerator में क्या कर रहे हैं? We are considering ABC का area minus AXY का area. ABC का एरिया माइनस AXY का एरिया, दैट गिव्स दिस. ओके, सो दैट विल गिव मी दिस इन न्यूमरेटर. ऑल राइट, ABC का एरिया क्या लिया है हम लोग ने यहाँ पे? 64 है. AXY 9, अगेन ABC 64. सॉल्व करके वैल्यू मिलेगा, दैट विल गिव यू द रेशियो. ऑल राइट, so let us solve now with proper steps. We have triangle AXY similar to triangle ABC. Since the two triangles are similar, ratio between the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio between the squares of the corresponding sides. लिखना पड़ेगा. So ratio between the areas of two similar triangles is equal to ratio between the squares of the corresponding sides. Okay, So area of AXY upon area of ABC. Area of triangle AXY अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC. ABC डिनोमिनेटर में क्यों लिया है? बिकॉज यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में ABC आएगा. ओके, सो कीप दिस इन डिनोमिनेटर. न्यूमरेटर को ही चेंज करना है. इट विल बी इक्वल टू AX स्क्वेयर्ड अपॉन AB स्क्वेयर्ड. रेशियो ऑफ द स्क्वायर्स ऑफ द करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स. ओके, that is it will be AX upon AB the whole का square. So that will give 3 by 8 का square, which is 9 by 64. So area of triangle AXY upon area of triangle ABC is 9 by 64. इसको change करना है. So what do we want? We want trapezium XBCY, that is quadrilateral XBCY. It will be ABC minus AXY. Okay. So area of quadrilateral XBCY upon area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle AXY अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC. करेक्ट. ABC में से AXY का एरिया निकाल दिया, सो ये ट्रेपीजियम बच गया. ABC क्या है? 64. AXY 9. ABC अगेन 64. सो दिस विल गिव 55 by 64. ऑलराइट, सो बॉक्स कर दो. सेकेंड पार्ट का भी आंसर मिल गया. All right.